Hello guys, my name is Dokis. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to play these two beautiful Makossa progression on keyboard. I'll play it, then I'll break it down. So I'll be doing this very tutorial on key of F. So this is the second inversion of your Do on F. See? Do, Do, Do. So this is what I'm using. I use this for the first one that I played. That's the first inversion of your Do. Then I use this for the second one. So the progression is, I was playing is form of your Do, your Fa, Do, So. So let me take it slowly so that you guys will get it. That is your Mi, Sol, La, Mi, Sol, La, Mi, Sol, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Mi. You get it? Mi, Sol, La, Sol, Mi, Sol, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Mi. Let me take it slowly. Mi, Sol, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Mi. Then your La, Do, Fa, Mi. Sorti. Fa mi tire fa mi. That's just it. From the beginning. Mi, Sol, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Mi, La, Do, Fa, Mi, Ti, Re, Fa, Mi. It's very simple with the beat. I hope you have gotten it. So for the second one, it's kind of similar. That is your Mi, your La, Do, Mi. That is your La, Do, Mi, Do, La, Re, Re. La, Do, Mi, Do, La, Re, Re. The beat. You see, I do. It's quite similar, but a bit different with the beat. So that's just it. Then on your bass, your left hand, you just be following the progression. Sos. That is your do, re, do, re, re, do, re, re. Very simple. You always land to your root. That is your do, your F. Do, re, re, fa. Do, re, re, so. Do, re, re, fa. Do, re, re, so. That's just it. So let me play it all together. Then we call it a tutorial. This one is extra. So there you have you guys. I hope you have learned these 2 Makossa progression to add to the ones you know. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. I love your feedback. Thank you.